Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an all-day whole house clean with me for you, and I am feeling it. Like right now while I'm doing this voiceover, I'm sitting on the couch and my back is killing me. But I got so much done. It was Monday when I was doing this, and you guys know, well maybe you don't, I don't know, but on the weekends my house just gets totally destroyed. Like this is the laundry room. I'm trying to do a load of laundry and I can't even get in my top load washer because there is so much stuff on top of it. So I found myself organizing and cleaning out my laundry room just so I could put in a load of laundry. We tend to be gone a lot on the weekends, and so whenever we get home, it's just like, I don't know, a pile of stuff is waiting for me. So if you like cleaning videos, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love to have you subscribe and join the community here on YouTube. Although I don't have my comments right now, which makes it a lot less fun of a community, but I'm gonna get them back, okay? So don't worry. Right now I'm just going through these different bins here, and here is like sparkly ribbon I used to decorate around Christmas time, which was obviously a really long time ago, seeing that it's April right now. So it's time to move that stuff out to storage. And then I'm just going through these different like home improvement bins. I keep some of the kids' crafts. This bin here is what I use to store things before I give them back to people. So if I've borrowed items or items that aren't ours end up at my house, I put them in that bin. And I'm just going through and decluttering things from these bins. There's Elisha's belt. Elisha's my husband, and he's been looking for his belt for about, I don't know, 3 days, 4 days, and it's in the toolbox. Super random. This is an old kombucha bottle. I love that it's glass, and so I'm pouring my spot treatment for my laundry in there instead of having it in the plastic bottle, because I just love how glass bottles look up on the shelf. This is all the stuff I'm going to be taking out to storage or throwing away. Leon just turned 2. He loves to help me, and it totally makes my day when he does. If you see random clothes being thrown into the washer, that is obviously Leon doing that too. Here in the hallway are all the cardboard boxes that we got rid of that were storing things in the laundry room. I just had to go through them and put things away instead of keeping them in their boxes. And I'm just gonna go take them out to our recycling can right now. I went to put this coat away and I saw how bad my coat closet was. If you guys follow me, then you know that this coat closet is kind of my nemesis. It always looks really bad and I'm constantly trying to just get rid of it, but it collects so much junk here. It's just so easy to throw stuff in the coat closet. So I'm just gonna go through and tidy this all up. are the items that I'm going to be taking out to storage. You guys, look how bad this looks. All winter long, we've just been throwing stuff in that shed. Elisha just got home from working out. Now that I've been cleaning for almost an hour, I'm finally getting around to doing the laundry, which is all that I set out to do this morning when I initially opened those doors to the laundry room. So glad we're finally getting around to this part. This is Elisha and my closet, and I always get the question, why is your closet in your kids' bedroom? And I will show you guys in a little bit the closet in our master bedroom, but it's just bigger than this closet, and I use it for a lot of different things. So this one just fit Elisha's and my clothes a lot better, and we keep our clothes in here. I like to sort all my clothes before I fold them because, as you can see, I usually have little helpers crawling around and they unfold everything pretty quickly. So I don't like to have piles of folded clothes sitting around for very long. So I'm just tidying up the linen closet, and now I'm going into the master bedroom closet, I guess you could say. This is in Elisha's and my room. And Lucy currently sleeps down here, but I need to get her moved in with Leon and get them used to sleeping together, because this is where the new baby is gonna sleep in just a few months. So I need Leon and Lucy to start getting adjusted. Up above Lucy's pack and play in this closet is where I keep the kids' clothes and my shoes as well. As you guys can see, this closet is pretty big for an apartment, and I'm really grateful for it because I have a lot of different storage in here. So at this point in the day, a few hours have passed. The kids and I went grocery shopping because, again, it's Monday, and so I wanted to get my groceries for the week, and then I put the kids to bed. So I'm just going back and folding the towels that I had brought up to the kids' room and sorted out but didn't actually get around to putting away yet. That one, as you can see, has definitely seen better days, but I used that one to help mop my floors. find that there are so many uses for laundry bins, and one of them is bringing in your groceries because you have to take a lot less loads. That was like the worst way to grammatically phrase that sentence, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Looking at all that plastic in one place at one time made me start thinking I should probably start using reusable bags. Again, it has been a little while between the last clip and this clip because I had to make dinner. So I made lasagna for some friends that are coming over, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up the kitchen and putting the finishing touches on our house before they come over. It's around 5 o'clock at this point, and I'm pretty tired. I wish that I could do everything as fast as I do it on high speed in these cleaning videos, but it takes a while. I love watching Lucy in this little clip. I just think it is so cute to see her crawling around. Okay, so one thing that drives me nuts with maternity pants is that they put that nude stretchy band way down low on your stomach. So your shirt has to be like a mile long to cover the beige belly band. I really don't get why they do that. I don't know if it's just my pants or if it's all maternity pants, but it kind of drives me nuts. Just thought I would let you guys know. At this point, dinner's made. Elisha took the kids to the library for me so that I could finish the last touches before our guests arrive. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this all-day whole house clean with me, even though you were able to watch it in 15 minutes. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. And if you have, thank you guys so much for sticking in here with me. I just love doing YouTube and I get to do it because of you. So thank you so, so much. I will see you soon.